Hello everyone, today I'm making the condensed milk tart, and this is my ingredients. I've got 150 grams of butter, room temperature, 3/4 cup of caster sugar, 1 large egg, about half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. You don't have to add this, it's optional. A teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So let's get started. Okay, let's begin. We just loosen this with a mixer. Okay, I'm going to add my sugar. And I want to mix this together as well. Okay guys, I've mixed it for a few minutes so it's nice and light and creamy. Now I'm going to add my 1 large egg and my vanilla essence. And I'm going to mix this for about 30 seconds, just until well combined. Okay, and I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Okay, so we've got here 2.5 cups of cake flour. You add that, and then of course your teaspoon of baking powder and your ground cardamom. I'm going to mix this through with a spatula. Okay, just until it's crumbly, and then I'll use my hand to bring the dough together. Okay. Guys, I'm recording with one hand, no? With my phone in one hand and using the right hand to do this because my tripod just broke. Okay, so I'm going to bring this together to a nice dough. Okay, so here it is, a nice soft dough. You can see, I'll just bring it up to you, and I'm going to put this in cling wrap nice and neatly. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Just chill for a little bit, about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to do the next step. Okay, here's the dough. Into the fridge it goes, and we're going to do the next step. Okay guys, the next step is I've got 9 large eggs, room temperature. I'm going to add some vanilla, about 2 teaspoons, and I'm just going to loosen up the eggs. Okay, and now next I'm going to do the milk with the condensed milk. Okay, I'm going to add my tin of condensed milk. Of course, we're going to get every bit out with a spoon. Okay, the next step is we're going to fill this container 3 times with milk, full cream milk, and then add it in there. Okay. Okay, first cup, second cup, and third cup. And now we're going to stir this together. I'm going to combine the eggs with the milk mixture. I like to pour it in a jug, and it's easy to pour in the tin. Before I do that, stir well. Ooh, jene frikadel. Okay, so I've mixed the eggs and the milk mixture thoroughly, and I'm just going to put it through a sieve just to get out any little egg bits, or if I missed a small piece of shell in the milk mixture. Go. You see these little bits, and now I'm going to pour this into the base, and we'll be right back. Okay, I've taken out the dough and I've pressed it into a greased baking pan for the milk tart, and I'm going to use my fingers to press it more and upwards to the sides. Make sure there's no holes in the dough, and make sure it's firm, and try to make it as even as possible. Okay guys, I've pressed the dough in nice and neatly. Now I'm going to pour in my custard gently and slowly. You don't try to do it by the thickest part, and keep it low. Okay, so you don't damage the dough. In here I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon and a little bit of cardamom. If you just have cinnamon, just add cinnamon, it's up to you. And now just a quick dusting. Whoopee, I always do that. It's gonna be good. Okay, this is going into the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the milk tart out of the oven, and you'll just see there's a nice wiggle when you take it out, and then it's done. You cool it off completely before you cut it, and then there it is. Guys, I was gonna cut it, but I'm getting visitors, and yeah, let's see. Maybe I can cut it. It's not cold yet, but yeah, I'm excited to share it with him. Okay, my friend, my friend Chef Wadia came to drop some paternoster crayfish. They're still alive. Look there. Can you believe it? Shukran so much. And of course, she's gonna get milk tart. Melk dit vir 'n krief is nogal 'n what? Oh, look at that. Okay. Wag, ek gaan gou melk dit gee. Okay guys, bye. Love you guys. Love you. Bye. Look at this perfection. Perfection. I'm gonna go in for a taste. Look at that crust. I couldn't wait now. This milk tart is still warm. I mean, really. Talk about a game.